back up. 55, 52. Okay, and just a little bit more. Well, yeah. Okay. Bring it back down. Back up to 50. D1. Felt it. Can feel it move. Which means if I'm doing this one, I'll need to be done. Okay, a little bit more. Just a tad bit. You can feel it move. Alright. Don't want to get carried away and break it. Okay. 50. 52. So we'll see. Put it back in and see if we have another problem with it. Again, it could either spark plug or it could even be wires. That's what I want. I need that. Got an old spark plug wire plug, so I can manually put it back in its hole. Being stubborn today. See where that's actually going. Come on. There, I think so. Well, son of a gun. Finding the hole. Down there. Find that angle. Really? Well, son of a gun, dude. Back in there. I'm thinking. Look at that. There it is. I hear. Yeah, I'm not moving anything now, so back in there. Okay. Socket back on there. Okay. Might be able to just chalk it up to being the gap was too wide.
Love you.
So this is gonna taking the daughter home. Click. Click, click. Alright. Alright, load them up. Alright. Some pretty good timing. Alright, that and of course those spark plug socket on that one is 5/8. Oh man, my hand's dirty. Window cleaner. That's really good cutting grease. Not too harmful to the hands. Mainly alcohol. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright, we will see how things work out here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Project Explorer. The house on my way back. I don't feel any hesitation. No sluggishness at the moment, so hopefully that's all it was. If it's not, then I'm going to go ahead and change the plug. Maybe the plug is now foul. And then next step, check to see if you got a bad wiring, bad wire, and then replacing the coil. So those are kind of your three options there. Yeah, we're home, dude. There's a smooth running motor, especially for the mileage that's on it. So. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll see you on the next Project Explorer. You ready to go in? To satisfy my curiosity, which I felt was correct. Let's go real quick. Yeah. 4-liter 2000. Try again. Engine firing order 03 Ford Explorer with a 4-liter motor. Maybe that's simple. Oh, and there you go. Ford Explorer firing order for a 6-cylinder. And there it is. It's identical to the 05 05 Mustangs. Ford Ranger with the 4-liter in it, same way. There's a bunch of videos on it, but that's all I need to know is make sure the one I checked was correct.